All right, today we have a 2019 Honda Odyssey. We're going to be performing a rear brake job on this vehicle. More things as well, but pertaining to a rear brake job is the electronic parking brake. So we're going to put this into maintenance mode today using my Autel Maxicom MK808BT. I know you can do this with Snap-on tool, you know, the Solus and whatnot, but this is what I have, so I'm going to show you how. So first thing you do, you're going to hook up your dongle. You're going to turn your vehicle on. You're going to read the VIN. When you do, you'll get to this screen. From here, we're going to use Hot Functions. And then we're going to go to EPB. That is Electronic Parking Brake. We'll click that. And here it is going to give you the option for brake pad maintenance mode. This is only for the rears. Right there, the functions used in rear brake pad maintenance. Please select the mode to carry out. So right now I want to put this vehicle into maintenance mode. So we're going to enter brake pad maintenance mode. We're going to do that. We're going to click OK. Check that the following conditions are filled. Yep, release the parking brake. So parking brake is not on, from my understanding. Stop vehicle. Vehicle's not on. Voltage right. Yep. Yes, I want to do this. You can hear them back there opening up. Sounds like a grinding noise. All right, it is in maintenance mode. So when we're all done with the brakes, we'll come back and we'll take it out of maintenance mode. All right, now that the brake job has been completed, have not started the vehicle, have not pushed the brakes. I just turned on the vehicle as far as putting into accessory mode. The dash lit up. Turned on the scanner. We're going to go back to Hot Functions. We're going to go back to EPB, Electronic Parking Brake. It's going to get a connection. And then we're going to put these back into drive mode. So out of service mode. So once this connects here real quick. By the way, I love this Autel. If you guys have any questions, by any means, give me a shout. It was very affordable. It does 95% of the things I need to do. So very nice unit. All right, brake pad maintenance mode. And we're going to go back to normal mode. Click OK. Yep, all that's good to go. OK. Can hear the grinding. That's the parking brake going back into position. So there we go. We'll go OK. And that is it. We'll escape out of here. And we're going to back this Autel all the way up. So first we got to turn the car off, and then the vehicle back on. That's 2 clicks of the start button without pressing the brake, and that's it. Everything is all set. So again, we're going to back out of everything. Back out, back out. Yes, I want to back out. And that is it. So we are all done with this vehicle. That is how you go into and out of brake pad service mode using an Autel Maxicom MK808BT. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe. Send this to all your friends or other mechanics you know that could use this help. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.